Now that we've gone over that, let's smell it. This is nice. I have to tell you, before I was diagnosed with lupus, I hated with a passion the concept of taking a bath. I hated it. Hi, I'm Natalie. Thank you for stopping by. My channel is all about health, wellness, and eco-friendly living. I drop videos every Mondays, so if this sounds like your kind of content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today, I'm doing a review of Dr. Teal's relaxation kit. I got gifted this item. I have two of them. This is a eucalyptus, and I also have the lavender. I haven't actually tried either of them yet, so today I'm gonna do a review of the lavender, and then I'm gonna try it all week long and see how I feel about it, and then I'm gonna do a follow-up video just to let you know what my thoughts are about whether it's worth the money or not. You see, I grew up taking showers. So as a kid, I never took a bath. I just grew up feeling and thinking that, taking a bath was just unnecessary. And I also, being the germaphobe that I am, I also thought that it was a little bit like soaking in your own filth, like soaking in your gunk and just sitting in it. And that part of it just really grossed me out. But as you know, if you're somebody who has lupus does come with a lot of physical ailments, and one of them is sore muscles. And what I've learned in the last couple of years is that taking a bath is a good way to relieve that pain whenever it does show up. So long story short, as a result of that new discovery, I've changed my opinions about taking baths. See, people can change. So now I love taking baths. The only thing I hate is not having enough time to take them, but I love taking baths. And more importantly, I have been experimenting with a lot of different products that are on the market to figure out what is the best one for me. So today, we're gonna talk about Dr. Teal's. For those of you who've been following my channel for a while, you know that I love lavender. So of course, the lavender one was gonna be the first one that I tried. It's a 5-piece lavender gift set. So we're gonna go through all of them. I want you to see what all is in it. The first one is the Epsom salt. If you struggle with like body aches, you should be familiar with Epsom salt. If you're not, you might want to incorporate that in your self-care routine because this thing works like magic. 14 ounces. From there, we move on to the body wash, which is 3 ounces, has shea butter, aloe vera, and vitamin E, which when combined together, obviously are going to moisturize your skin. If you are like me and you were kind of horrified by the idea of a bath and you thought it was a little yucky, one of the best things you can do is actually take a shower with a body wash so you can wash the funk come off your body and go down the drain. And once you're clean, then you can draw yourself a nice bath and completely relax in it. And at that point, it becomes more about chilling out than it is about using it as a way to cleanse your body. And I found that for me, that just brings some comfort doing it that way. Next item on the list is a foaming bath. This one is also 3 ounces. And then you enjoy that nice bath for 20 to 30 minutes, however you like. Once you're done, the next item on the list is a moisturizing bath and body oil. Because I've added some vitamin E and shea butter and all those other moisturizers in the recipe, I don't think my skin is gonna come out dry, but I love that they want you to follow up with essential oils. So this essential oil has jojoba oil, which if you're somebody that likes natural products, you probably know about jojoba. Is highly moisturizing. It also has sweet almond oil as well as aloe vera. So all of these 3 items are highly moisturizing. And once you're done moisturizing your luscious skin with that delicious body oil, then they leave you with a Soothe and Sleep spray. So this is a pillow spray that you're going to spray onto your pillow before you go to sleep. I don't know about you, but my favorite types of baths are the kind where I almost fall asleep in the tub. I don't know if that's ever happened to you, where I can feel myself just dozing in the tub, even though I know I'm in water and I'm not in my bed, but I'm so relaxed that I could actually literally fall asleep. And I am so comfortable that it's physically difficult to get up and to like rinse my body, dry myself, get dressed, and actually go get into bed. That's kind of the mark of a really nice bath, because it's supposed to give you a total body relaxation. And I love this idea of following it up with a pillow spray because you're able to continue that vibe, that feeling into your bed. This is good. This could actually be really good before meditation too, come to think of it. I don't know if you meditate, but I do. It's one of the things that I enjoy. And it's one of the things that actually really helps me calm my mind. So if you're someone who struggles with that, that might be a good thing. It doesn't have like an alcohol smell to it. That's the thing about lavender sometimes. Depending on how the company makes it, it can smell a little too like perfume-ish, like a little too much like alcohol. This smells very gentle, almost like the lavender was just soaking in water. This smells so good. So I am very excited to try this, to get into this bath for 30 minutes and then use all these products. And then next Monday, I'll come on here and let you know whether it was worth the money. The thing I'm mostly excited about is all these steps. You know, it has all these different elements to it. You know, it's not just the salt and the, you know, and the soap, you know, it's like the whole thing. It's not just the foaming solution, it's the oils, it's the pillow spray. It's all of it. So I'm like excited about the sequences of events to see like, you know, if that relaxation can be deepened as you transition from one part of it to another. I've never had a whole set. All right, well, before I let you go, I do want to dab this oil a little bit on my skin to see like how thick or light it feels. Oh, it's a nice sheen. And it smells delicious, just like that pillow spray. Everything smells the same so far, which I'm very excited about. That's what they said would happen. So it just leaves your skin like with a nice sheen. It's not too heavy where you have to worry about it like staying on your sheets or anything like that. It's highly absorbent and it just leaves a sheen. It's not like a layer of oil, if you know what I mean. That's all I was worried about. It sounds like we got it all figured out. So looking forward to getting back on here on Monday to give you an update. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing video, and I cannot wait to let you know how it went. What about you? Are you into baths? Do you like them? Do you hate them? Did you grow up with them? What do you think about them? What is your favorite product to use for baths? I am in this experimental stage with bathing now that I've discovered how wonderful it is. So if you have any recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it the thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel for videos every Mondays on health, wellness, and eco-friendly living. You can shop my sustainable fashion pieces at styledunder.com. And of course, you can connect with me on social media at styledunder25. Until next time, take care of yourselves.